Hello everyone, we are here at SeaWorld Orlando where, as you can see, the construction walls for Infinity Falls are down. They've been cycling rafts all day. Here's a look at the rapids for you. We're going to take a quick walk around and show you guys the area. Interactive games for everybody to play over here underneath the tent. There's one over here, and then there's also one over there. Kind of have the similar games and stuff. So, all right, this is the bridge that you go over to get to Waterway Grill, and below is Infinity Falls. This is the first section of rapids over here, and then this is actually the end of the ride. Once you come down the big drop, you come here and you go right back up into the station. The station is right there. And then once again, this is a continuation of the first part of the rapids. You go around this curve, you go up here, and then you do a rapid section up here, and then you end up down here at the bottom. You take the elevator lift up, and you go down the drop. There are going to be these little squirt guns that you can squirt riders of Infinity Falls with. You get your tokens here, and then you're going to be able to spray them right here at the exit of the ride. There's the little squirt guns right there that'll spray them at the very end of the big drop. So, pretty neat little addition. And this is the entrance to Infinity Falls. You're actually going to go in this way, around over the bridge over there, and then the queue is over there. And up here they got the entry sign for Infinity Falls. And now we're over here by Waterway Grill. We'll check out the area. Over here at the front part of Waterway Grill are the lockers for Infinity Falls, and around the corner where she is, right over there, is the on-ride photo area where you can view your on-ride photo. And then over here they have the big dryers that you can pay to have yourself dried off in. Alright, we're inside Waterway Grill now, and as you can see, lots and lots of seating, indoor air-conditioned seating. They have the bar up here with craft beers, which we'll go up and take a look at the menu. They also have snacks and different stuff for you to purchase up here as well. And here's the And here's the craft beer section. All your different options. You got ciders, you got lagers, you got ales, you got IPAs, all sorts of different options. And over here is the actual Waterway Grill itself. It's a quick service area. Walk up, grab your food, your desserts, which it's already open. The ride is not, at least at the recording of this video. The restaurant is open. And then also over here they have a little snack section where you can get fruit and veggies and beverages and stuff. So. Alright, here's the menu for the Waterway Grill, your entrees. And they also have a couple of salads for you to choose from, kids' meals. Then of course your beverages and desserts. And speaking of desserts, they have a whole bunch for you to choose from. Chocolate chip cookies galore. And they also have this yummy looking strawberry shortcake, and looks like a chocolate chip muffin, which looks really tasty. I got chocolate mousse and gelatin down here as well. So while we're here at SeaWorld, really quick, take a quick glimpse at Sesame Street construction. As you can see, things are progressing nicely. They've already got steel up for a building. And over here, a lot of the rides are still in place. There's the old Shamu Express roller coaster. A couple of the other rides are still sitting there. Other than that, not a whole lot much else going on as far as Sesame Street goes, but they are really moving along with whatever this building is going to be here. They've already got metal framing up, so things are progressing nicely for Sesame Street opening next year at SeaWorld Orlando.